How to delete account in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see manage account. Simply tap on manage account. So these are the profile settings and options available. So here, slowly scroll down until you find the option called delete account. So here at the last, simply tap on delete account. So make sure that you want to delete your account. Now you can save all your projects into your mobile device and remove everything from this account. So make sure you want to delete the account and simply tap on delete account. So it will take some time and it will even ask you for feedbacks. So yes, simply tap on yes and you'll be able to delete the account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.